Jai Guruji everyone. Here's another satsang about Achal Paul Uncle, the director of Buzz Communications. The heading goes, A PR man gets his voice back. The winter of December 1999 brought chilling news for Achal Uncle. Slowly and steadily his voice was fading away and he had to make a real effort to speak even a few words. After he met ENT specialist, he felt that the Delhi winter, foggy and miserable as it is, was going to be a long one. The specialist recommended immediate surgery after detailed investigations. He went under knife at Sir Gangaram Hospital in New Delhi. After surgery, the growth piece of his vocal cord was sent for a biopsy. The report confirmed his family's worst fears. The growth was malignant, that is cancerous. Just 2 months after he had suspected that his voice was deteriorating, he was facing hell and wondering what had led to it. After all, he do not smoke or drink alcohol and neither do he chew tobacco or have pan, that is betel leaves. But God is quick to save. Within a week of his surgery, during his 3-week voice rest period, he was under Guruji's Sharan. Both his wife and Achal Uncle came to Guruji with their predicament, but they had to pass a test. 5 days after he had been operated on, he felt a compelling urge to go to Guruji. Doctor had warned him that water should not touch his throat at any cost, and that day it was raining hard. When they started from home, his family advised him to rest and go some other day. However, Achal Uncle was determined to go to Guruji. His inner self told him that this is the day and he must go. As they entered the Empire State, the walk up to Guruji's Sthan was very soothing. Guruji in his colourful robe was sitting on his majestic gaddi. They were introduced and asked to sit on the rich red carpet that covered the hall. The sacred songs of the Gurbani were being played over the audio system. The atmosphere was charged. After a while, Chai Prasad was served. Right after Guruji called them up, Guruji told his distraught wife, "Ja tere husband nu 50% ठीक कर देता. Your husband has been cured by half. Go get the test done again." It was not easy to believe that a cancerous growth had been treated, but they followed Guruji's advice. They sourced the 4 remaining biopsy slides from Sir Gangaram Hospital and sent 2 slides each to AIIMS New Delhi and Tata Institute in Mumbai for a retest. After about a week, they got the reports and came to Empire State. As soon as they entered, Guruji smiled and said, "Kyun, doctors confused ho gaye?" The doctors are confused, aren't they? Indeed they were. Both reports declared Uncle fit. The first miracle had come to pass. Thereafter, doctors advised Achal Uncle not to ignore the histopathography findings and get the full treatment done. He was determined that if at all he had to get any further treatment, it would only be on Guruji's direction. Fulfilling his wishes, that is what happened. Guruji blessed Uncle and made him eat langar full of chilies, which was a strict no-no as per the doctors who had asked him to stick to the boiled food. Guruji went a step further. Guruji made him speak and pronounced that he was all right. Uncle was continuing with the radiotherapy on Guruji's advice, but he did not feel any side effects at all. He had no nausea and his hemoglobin level throughout remained above normal. The only medicine, if he may call it so, was the water he drank from a copper tumbler blessed by Guruji. He had to fill the tumbler with water every night before going to sleep and the next morning to drink half of it first thing and to put the rest in his bath bucket. That's it. By following this simple ritual, he was fully cured. Such has been his miraculous transition to a new fit life. Thanks to Guruji. Thank you for listening. Jai Guruji, Shukrana Guruji, love you Guruji.